You guys, stop. Stop making more products. Stop thinking that making more products is going to make you more money. Okay? All the creative businesses that I deal with on a daily basis do not have a product problem. Okay, they have plenty of products. We all know that there are shiny things out there that we can make and that steal our attention. But here's not the thing, we do not have a product problem, okay? We have a visibility problem, a positioning problem, a connection problem. Okay, we're not creating community, and all of that is contributing to not making any sales. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about why workshops, experiences, parties, classes, whatever you want to call them, are what is going to make it in 2026 and beyond, because people are sick and tired of the AI, of the not in-person community feeling. They want experiences. Every major brand right now is creating experiences along with their product. So why don't you make the experience the product? All right. So if you're a laser owner, if you're a maker, if you're a workshop host, if you're just a creative entrepreneur feeling stuck, this video is going to be for you. So let's just jump right into it. When we chase products, we find ourselves in this cycle of not knowing what to do next because we're always trying to chase the next best thing. It's literally like the carrot in front of the cart and the horse, right? Is no matter what you do, you're never going to catch that carrot. You constantly feel like you need to come up with something new all the time, right? We're chasing likes, we're chasing views, we're chasing algorithms. We're believing that success comes from having more products. We feel like we want to keep buying this machine and that machine and this piece of equipment and this supply and this tool because it's finally going to click one day. All right? You guys can't do that anymore. There were seasons where I thought I just needed another idea or needed another product. But my business exploded when I simplified everything. Okay, I did the same workshop over and over and over again, hundreds of times, because it stuck and people knew what to expect from me. Okay, at some point, you just have to realize that customers aren't just buying products anymore. They want that experience with it. So give it to them. Let's start making those experiences, right? People want connection. The past several years, we've gone through times where people couldn't be connected, and that really, really hurt everybody, right? It hurt businesses, it hurt families, it hurt friends, it hurt relationships, it hurt, the economy. We don't want that. People want to buy from brands now that they feel connected to. Storytelling matters. Personality matters. I say this all the time to my people. Share your energy, share your excitement, tell people what you're about. That is going to attract people to your business as well. Experiences, give them something to look forward to. They're not just coming to your workshops to make a project. They don't want to just buy a tumbler from you. They want to experience something. They want to feel something. Customers remember how you make them feel. How did they feel walking into your space? I don't even care if it's a space that you own. You don't need a studio to do any of this stuff, okay? You don't need your own space. I was mobile. I went to all my people. But when I showed up, when I was in their space or they were in my sphere, how did I make them feel? What did they feel when they connected with others? What did they feel when I talked to them? What did they feel when they left, okay? They want to feel something. Workshops create that emotional connection instantly. All right, so just think about it. If someone comes into your workshop or your class and they spend a couple hours with you creating something beautiful, getting the instruction from you, having this personal experience curated just for them, that is going to make a bigger impact than just buying something off your shelf. That is going to get people to come back and order another product from you, come to another workshop. Workshop attendees become repeat customers. That in-person experience builds trust faster than social media, than just the one-off sale. Okay, the workshop can build more trust in 2 hours than months of posting online. Think about that. Would you rather have one workshop or post every day for months to get those people? Visibility matters more than perfection. Keep that in mind. People want to hide. Okay, they don't want to put themselves out there. They want to hide until everything is perfect. They're waiting to feel confident. Maybe this is you. Maybe you're just waiting. You're like, I know I should do this. I've heard about this before. I wanted to try it, but I'm just not very confident yet. I'm not posting consistently. I've been changing directions a lot. I feel like I'm confusing my audience. I don't know where to start. I just want to have all my ducks in a row. I want to have the right machines. I want to have the right supplies, everything, and I'm just going to chill until I have everything in place. When I was a stay-at-home mom of 7 kids, 11 to 1, when I started my parties, and I didn't have a mentor, I didn't know anybody that was doing this, I just needed to figure out how to make more money in 3 hours than it took me to make, or than I got when I made it one custom sign in those 3 hours. I did not have all my ducks in a row. I still don't have all my ducks in a row. That's not how you get anywhere. You get somewhere by putting yourself out there, jumping, and then building the parachute on the way down. Okay? Don't wait until you feel ready. The good news is there's somebody here to mentor you, which is something I didn't have. And I totally wish I did have it, because I would have shaved months off my learning curve. But you need to just start. The businesses that are growing are usually the ones that people are seeing regularly. You need to just get out there, even if it's not perfect, right? You do not need to be the best maker, the best instructor, the best product builder in the world. You just need clarity and consistency. So you need to tell people what you're about and why you're showing up. And you need to do it often, because it's noisy out there, right? I've seen incredibly talented people struggle because nobody actually understands what they offer. So simplify your stuff. Post about workshops every day for 30 days. See where it gets you. Maybe that's a challenge. Okay, so experiences change everything. And this is what I've talked about for years. I've been doing workshops 10 years, teaching it all the time for over 6. Okay? Workshops create community. Community is sticky. Okay? People want to come back. They want to feel like they belong. If your workshops create that community, you will have people coming back. Experiences create referrals. People want to talk about it. People can't wait to tell people about the fun thing that they just did. They want to bring their friends. So now you have people referring other people and people bringing friends with. People can bring friends, and those friends can order things from you. Businesses can use the workshops for customer retention and acquisition, which is amazing. Workshops can create content automatically. You guys are going to be taking pictures all the time. Pictures, videos. That's one thing I wish I would have done. Nobody told me to do that because I didn't think I'd be teaching it. Take pictures and videos. That will become your advertisement for your next parties. Okay? There's recurring revenue opportunities. There's ways that you can set up recurring parties for people. There's VIP passes. There's a whole bunch of stuff that you can do that guarantees income every month. Sounds pretty sweet to me. I really, truly believe that experiences are one of the most overlooked business models in this industry, in pretty much all the other industries. Whatever you sell, you create an experience for people and use that experience to showcase what you do or make. Okay? The workshop doesn't have to be what you sell. It can be, but it doesn't have to be. Okay, if you sell door hangers, you can do a workshop with a door hanger. If you sell baby clothes, use a workshop, have a fun DIY ladies' night craft day or experience or night out, and showcase the baby clothes while everybody's there. Okay? They do not have to be one and the same. But one good workshop can create customers, content, referrals, confidence, and income all at once. And I have had students make, you ready for this? In 2 hours at the workshop. Yes, there was some prep time before. I'm not talking about that. I'm just saying 2 hours of actually being in front of people. She brought home over $4,000 from one workshop. It is not that difficult. It's fairly simple. Yes, it takes some work, but you guys, that was at a school. 110 moms signed up to bring their daughters for a mother and daughter paint night. $35 a person, which I thought was actually pretty cheap. She upsold some kits, walked away with over $4,000. How would one of those a month work for you? Let's even say one every other month. We're talking life-changing money here. Okay? Think about it, you guys. So, I think a lot of people overcomplicate this too and what it could actually look like. I'm not talking about figuring out new products that you can make at every single workshop. Okay? I'm just talking about starting with one, connecting with the people that come. So, if that sounds amazing, because it is, I've lived it, I've done it. If that sounds cool, workshops, experiences, and that's something that you want to look into or been curious about, or adding into your current business, regardless of what it is, I have a free guide. I'll link it below. I have a free Facebook group. I have other resources for you. You can find on my website. I want to help you because it has literally changed my life, and I know it can change yours too. So, thanks for watching. Share, save, like, subscribe, whatever you do, and I'll be back soon to teach you guys some more. Bye, guys.